Today's lecture we discuss about the next topic, residual plot, mean residual, sum and squares. If we consider the equation of regression line of y on x, the equation is y is equal to a plus bx. Then y is treated as dependent variable and x is independent. Then the values of a and b are obtained by method of least squares, where the sum of squares of errors are minimized. The error is nothing but the difference between actual value and its estimate. That is, error in estimation is equal to true value minus estimate using the equation y is equal to bx, which is equal to y minus y cap is equal to y minus y cap is nothing but a plus bx. Then multiply this minus sign in bracket, we get y minus a minus bx. Sum of squares of the errors is denoted by s square, and it is s square is equal to summation of y minus a minus bx bracket square The mean residual sum of squares is denoted by sy square and is given by sy square is equal to 1 upon n summation in bracket y minus y cap bracket square, which is equal to 1 upon n summation in bracket y minus y cap is nothing but a plus bx, and multiply this minus in bracket. So we get y minus a minus bx bracket square, which is equal to 1 upon n summation in bracket y minus, and we know that y bar is equal to a plus bx bar, that is value of a is nothing but y bar minus bx bar minus this bx whole bracket square, which is equal to 1 upon n summation. Multiply this minus sign in bracket and take this two term in separate bracket, y minus y bar minus, and take b common, minus b in bracket x minus x bar whole bracket square, which is equal to, again multiply this 1 by n and summation in bracket and simplify this formula, that is a minus b bracket square, which is equal to a square minus ab 2ab plus b square. So is equal to 1 upon n summation a is y minus y cap, that is y minus y bar bracket square, plus 1 upon n summation b square in bracket x minus x bar bracket square minus 2 1 upon n summation b into y minus y bar into x minus x bar is equal to 1 upon n summation y minus y bar square plus b square into 1 upon n. Take this b square in outside the summation, 1 upon n summation x minus x bar square, which is equal to, again take this b outside the summation, 2b 1 upon n summation x minus x bar into y minus y bar, which is equal to, this term is nothing but summation sigma y square plus b square is as it is, and this term is nothing but sigma x square minus 2, and this is covariance of x comma y. Sigma y square plus value of b is r into sigma y upon sigma x, and b square, that is bracket square, into sigma x square minus 2, value of b is r into sigma y upon sigma x into covariance of x comma y is nothing but r into sigma x into sigma y, which is equal to sigma y square plus this sigma x square and sigma x square get cancelled, and taking separate square, that is r square into sigma y square minus 2 r square and sigma y square. Again cut sigma x and sigma x, and sigma y into sigma y is sigma y square, and r into r is r square, which is equal to sigma y square r square plus r squares into sigma y square minus 2 r square into sigma y square is nothing but minus r square sigma y square, which is equal to, take sigma y square common, then we get sigma y square into 1 minus r square. Next point is, describe the stepwise procedure of fitting y is equal to b a into b raised to x using principle of least square. There are many steps, that is there are 5 steps to describe the procedure of fitting y is equal to a into b raised to x. So we know that let y is equal to a into b raised to x, equation number 1. Procedure, step 1 is First convert equation 1 to linear by taking log on both sides. Then taking log on both sides, we get log y is equal to log a into b raised to x. We know that log a into b is nothing but log a plus log b, and also we know that log a raised to x is nothing but x into log a. That is v is equal to a plus bx, where a is equal to log y, v is equal to log y, a is equal to log a, and b is equal to log b. Now step second is, now equation 2 is linear regression equation of y on x. The normal equations for estimating a and b by the method of least squares are summation vi is equal to na plus b into summation xi, and summation vi xi is equal to a into summation xi plus b into summation xi square. This is equation number 4 and this is equation number 3. That is taking summation on both sides, and we know then summation vi plus a and summation 1, that is summation 1 is n, and b into summation xi, and also multiply. Then next step, multiply xi both the side. Step third is, for given set of n pairs xi comma yi, I is equal to 1 to n on bivariate data, find vi is equal to log yi and summation vi, summation xi square, and summation vi xi. Step 4th, substitute the sums in equation 3 and 4 and solve them simultaneously to get values a and b. And step 5 is, find a is equal to antilog of a and b is equal to antilog of b, and substitute these in equation 1 to get required equation. Then next point is, describe the procedure of fitting equation y is equal to a into x raised to b a bivariate data. Procedure of fitting of equation y is equal to a into x raised to b is same as procedure of fitting of y is equal to a into b raised to x. That is, there is also 5 steps. So first step is similar as this step. Convert the equation to linear form taking log on both sides. Then v is equal to this a plus b u, and v is equal to log y, u is equal to log x, a is equal to log a. And step second is also the normal equations for obtaining a and b, taking summation on both sides and then multiply u in this term. Then step third is, obtain vi is equal to log yi, ui is equal to log xi, obtain sums v, summation u square, summation uv. And step 4, substitute this value in 3 and 4, and then we solve, we get a and b. And step 5 is, find a is equal to antilog of a and write the equation y is equal to a into x raised to b.